Living Well with Dr. Michelle here, and I am at the end of a great day of seeing new patients here at my dental practice. I love to see new patients, and really the main reason is because we get to the bottom of we get to find solutions and get to the bottom of things with our patients, and that's my favorite thing to do. And one of the things that we often talk about is nutrition and how food affects that overall nutrition. I talked this with 3 or 4 patients just today alone, and one of the things that really hit me is that our body is made of what we feed it. So if we feed it a whole bunch of food from boxes and cans and packages, then we're really eating boxes and cans and packages. We're not really getting food that's full of nutrients. So not only does food security mean having enough food, food security means providing your body with the nutrients it needs to be healthy, to be able to face whatever might come, because that's a big part of it as well, right? We need to be healthy for whatever might be coming in the future on the horizon. So food security is also providing your body the food it needs to be able to do well, to live well, to be healthy. The food that we're going to be teaching you to produce, to store, to grow, to prepare and cook is the kind of food your body is craving and needs to be able to operate at its #1 best self. So please come join me this Saturday. I can't wait. We're already getting a bunch of sign-ups. We're going to have a bunch of you there. Sign up quickly because the seats are going to fill up. I am so excited to be able to share all of this with you to really kick off into this fall with food security for you and your family. So join me, sign up today.